is going to stay the same width. So now that we have our first resume page, let's give it some lines to make it look like there are lines written on the page, to make it look like a piece of paper. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just click and drag, holding shift to give it a straight line. I'm going to drag across the front. You don't have to size it now because we're going to recenter it. And just click there and give it a line. Now it's black in the background and I want to have it white, so I'm going to go down here to the line color and just go ahead and change that to white and give it more of a pixel width to where I want it to be. That looks about right, but I'm gonna give it one more bump. And you can change the caps of your line, so I'm gonna make them round and click OK. Alright, so we have our line. Let's click it, press P, and center that back. Let's center it in the image. Let's center this as well too. So now that we have them centered, let's go ahead and click on your line and press Ctrl D to duplicate the image. Now since that isn't center, I'm going to press P again and center it over my previous line. And now I'm going to give it some spacing, so I'm going to bump it up, holding shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bump it up around 10. And then I'm just going to keep doing that until I have a nice even set of lines. Let's go one more on each. I'm holding down shift when I'm making these lines to give it more of a bump. If you just bumped it once, it would give it a smaller bump. So okay, now that we have all the lines on the thing and they're all even, let's select them all and let's group them so they're all one entity. Okay, so now that we have our first resume, I'm going to go ahead and fix it a little bit. Since they're all selected, I'm going to bump them down a little bit to give them more of a margin up top. And I think I'm going to change the width back from 5 to 4. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, I'm going to keep it like that. And go ahead and just group everything.